A Saturday morning at a ripe 6 a.m. for any other person would be spent in bed. But for vinyl fan Stratton Sanyi, it was time to get in line and wait to snag some deals on rarities in music.
I've been in line since 5:30. Yeah, it's been a long wait. This guy ended up showing up 10 minutes after me, so I had some company for most of the wait. It's always important to get to record store day fairly early because there's a lot of limited releases, and if you want to get the vinyl record that you want, you gotta kind of work for it. So I'd say usually the first 5 places in line are usually the best spots to be, pick up everything that you want to get.
On any other day besides the Black Friday of records, you could come to Aggieville's Sisters of Sound record shop, and odds are you'll run into Stratton.
I think the main thing is this has become less about the actual process of collecting records and more about just hanging out. This is kind of the spot to be for a lot of people, particularly the regulars like to come in and hang out. I think on average I'm in here about twice a week for a couple hours. So.
Tips on proper vinyl care include keeping them in their plastic case so they last longer. Try not to palm the record to keep it from scratching, and store them in an upright position on a shelf or crate to keep them from warping.
Beyond proper care, Stratton has tips on how to find that perfect record.
Sometimes just grab something you don't know. The cover looks cool, the song lists sound good. Actually, some of the better things that I've found are things that I had no idea what they were, and Sarah didn't even know what they were.
In Manhattan, Sara Wallace, Channel 8 News.